last day here in Maldives. We just had our breakfast, chilling around. We booked a canoe rental. That's at 10 o'clock. Another 45 minutes to go. So we thought we'll just cheer Shriman up because he's gonna do scuba diving. I mean, right here, but he has to come through there and all the way down here for a while. He's going through his lessons right now.
Once we go out of this full, then there's a camera just face.
We could see tension in his face. Yeah. Like when me, Manogna and Pooja were talking about scuba, it's like, how long will you talk about it? Stop talking about it. You don't need to know swimming to do scuba diving, but few things help, like breathing techniques and all help. It was for me easier than her, but even I was tense, as I said yesterday. But anyway, I think he should be fine. So for now, we're just killing time here on a. So we have a nice swing here, overseeing the ocean. Nothing beats it.
We can see small fishes also.
Lot of fish here. Probably can't see so much on the iPhone camera, but yeah, there is obviously it's an ocean. There is wildlife, but not as much as I saw in Mexico. That was entirely a different experience. That's how we were trained yesterday. We were coming up, standing up regularly to feel normal because breathing air is normal for us, but breathing through the cylinder is not. So you need to get trained. Shriman's getting ready. I don't think we'll have time to shoot Shriman because we need to head there to book a kayak or canoe. So we took the canoe boats from there, came all the way till here, planning to head to that small island, artificial island or probably natural, I don't know, heading there. But our villas are somewhere down there, so maybe we'll say hi to Pooja and then head to that island, take some clicks, come back. Manogna is steering the canoe right now, so little tense, she doesn't know driving. But usually, I'm tense Ray, because you're driving. Because you are in the front, you control speed, I control direction. That's how it works in a canoe. Look at the color of the water, and it's so crystal clear. Like loving it. Stop. I just want to see the depth. Yeah, that's probably a little more than 6 feet. So, not bad. Chalo, time to relax and enjoy this canoe. Because you can canoe anywhere, but you won't get this color of water with this kind of view. For a brief moment, maybe for 5 more minutes, we are on this island, exclusive island, just two of us, in the middle of Indian Ocean, right? See anything behind us? Nothing. That's just Indian Ocean out there. Our villas are somewhere down there. Just said hi to Pooja. Aisha wanted to come, but I'm not sure if this is a man-made island or natural island. We need to keep an eye on the boat so that it doesn't go away. Then we are kind of stranded. That would be an experience. That's the edge of the island. I mean, like, there is under construction island there, but this is the real edge that you can access. And few more couples are joining. So not any more exclusive, but that indicates time to go back because this is only 1 hour rental. So we might have to head back somewhere there, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
First, I did not want to go because I went till here
Ah,
and then I got a little bit frenzy
enjoyed it though.
because I was trying to breathe habitually and water was going into my nose.
New habits.
Yeah, so it was pretty new. But then she went and came. Then he gave me a lot of confidence, thanks to him.
Share,
And then what is your name?
share, share.
Share, the tiger. Then he took me again. He said, no problem, I'm there. I'll take you. Lot of great assistance. We went there, saw a little bit of corals and all that. Hopefully got some good pictures. Yeah, we took some. Yeah, and video clips, a few.
Good job.
Good.
Aishu, what language is that? Aishu. Blibli? What?
And so where's Sharan?
So you'll do scuba again?
Yeah, not here.
License?
Maybe.
Chaitanya ke sath?
Maybe.
Next time
For
I'll
now,
do
I still have the earache.
When I shall hold.
Slight.
Or maybe very old.
Equalizing.
No,
Little late
I need
for
not worry
equalizing.
about it, but if I concentrate, I can feel it is there.
So it'll take 24 hours, that's what he said after each
yes,
session.
that warning was
But if
there.
you do equalizing, it should be fine immediately. Maybe you waited a bit too long.
వస్తుంది ఇంకా బయటకి.
Needle వస్తాయి. But don't do now.
Maybe your husband was
Not
nice
good.
to take.
Just another place by the beach for lunch. This is a pizza place. So excited to see because usually if they do well, if they have a brick oven, the pizza should be really good. Let's see how it is. So this is the clinic in the island. We were supposed to do it 2 days before departure because we need to fill the form too. Totally forgot. Even the resort guys informed just a day before, so entirely missed it. Luckily, he's the one who is going to take the sample to the capital. He's going to help us get the result as early as possible because more than leaving Maldives, entering India is going to be the tricky part.
Try to get before you leave from here.
Yeah, I think that will help because we have to fill the form so that they get to see forms here and there.
But still, you can fill the imuga before you go.
Imuga, but in Imuga you might have to. No need.
No need to go out, no need to attach anything.
Oh, perfect. So
Imuga?
thank you.
Thank you. She like you put me through torture. I hate it.
Fingers crossed. Let's see. Man, last night here. Kuch nahi, enjoy the stars. Maybe in a bathtub, which I did. Which I might do again.
आज बहुत नहा लिया Maldives में. I'm done.
Enjoyed your stay here.
Yes. Only thing we both felt it was really short, no? Yeah.
It passed by
To be
quickly.
like a 2-day
So good
trip.
things pass by quickly.
No, but
That's how
it
feels.
really felt like a 2-day trip, not because first day I think we lost because of the rain.
Exactly.
And second day was also okay.
So we had 3 full days, 2 days for flying.
One day was gone in the rain.
But I'll miss this part of being in the ocean, right? Like somewhere deep in the ocean in a villa, all by yourself. Trip is done. Final stay here with that lovely.
I don't want to come.
With that lovely sunrise there.
I don't want to go.
We have to, but we'll miss this view. Look how it is a lovely sunrise there and how dark it is here. Tropical climate, man. When they said 7:30 the boat will be ready for a 12 o'clock flight, we thought it will take just 45 minutes to reach the airport. What will we do? But we have enough time at hand to fill all the forms. Finishing right now as we speak. Do it one day before so that you can check into the airport aram se and you don't need to do all this stuff. Lot of paperwork here now. International travel is not as simple as it used to be. Bye, Potty.
Photo. Photo.
Bye bye. We'll catch you again next week.
What's my name, Naishu?
Anyway, it's been a long day, yaar. That should be it for today's video and also this series. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this night time, have a good night and take care. See you in the next one.